Bet. Well, so now you just gotta let me know when the next event is.
Yeah.
Bet. I'm gonna be ready for y'all.
All right.
Y'all have a good night. I'm finna go try to get a quesadilla. Y'all check out Crawler Innovations, y'all. Oh my boys right there. It's a trip, username. I got that Hennessy. God, I was about to say, I thought that line was all the way on that wall. Let me see if I can get my skip on. Let me see. Let me see something. Look out. I'm trying to see what they got in there, man.
Hey, man, you got to look back in the line.
I'm trying to see something. Okay. How much are the hoodies? 30. I hear 30 unless you bought a 4 or 5X. 5 more. Yeah. I'm trying to get me a.
Hey, man, that Cali car running.
Yeah, that white one.
No, the Nova 2.
Oh yeah, both of them.
The Ram Billy.
Yeah, both of them. But I can't be in that line right there.
Take a picture of my food when it roll out.
Oh, the who?
It look like a buffet and shit.
Man, I need something to eat, man. My stomach, man, asking for something for about 30 minutes, y'all. Man, hold on, do I know somebody else there? Oh, boy, I thought I knew somebody, boy. Man, I don't know none of these people. Need it. Okay. Okay, they trying to get in line. Man, I'm trying to see something, y'all. Okay. Oh, that thing got a gold wheel on front of it. Let me see something. Using one lane though. I'm gonna be able to skip in a minute. Hey, well, he ain't even need no glue. Damn. Might know something. Oh, he must have leaked. Okay, he leaked something, y'all. Taco time. Back to these tacos. I done got two of my toes wet. Look out, man. One of them mine.
Maybe the rapper.
Dang.
Hey, do it right here.
You waiting right. 20? Well, I'm trying to get in where I fit in, man. This is. Dang, boy, I'm home. I'm finna see if she'll listen. Boy, it's going down. They over there fixing on the track right now. I don't know what happened. They fixing on empanadas. Yeah, she hearing that. Dang. No cap, maybe the rapper boy that hard or you not. I'm finna stay over here getting that money, y'all. I'm trying to see something. I'm trying to be patient real quick, see if I could sneak me a word or two in there in a minute. I just need a little eye contact. Need that beat heater, man. The only one I can talk to. I want to drink too, really, but I ain't got time for all that. Yeah, Maria ain't having it. That's why I'm going to Brenda. Maria ain't trying to hear nothing. I gotta go to Brenda, see if she gonna listen. Boy, they taking them orders too, boy. Gracias. Hola. Hey man, no eye contact. I ain't gonna get this fajita. God damn. Caught that on camera. What I'm gonna do, y'all? What I'm gonna do? Pay someone to add. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Pay somebody to add to their order. Yeah, miss, I'm with them. I'm trying to get a beef fajita, a quesadilla. Yeah, and a lemonade pineapple. Oh yeah, damn, I should have said mango pineapple. I need that mango pineapple. It's all about the eye contact. Make it the sky, go back to the other line. I done made it. I did pay. I always pay, man. I just needed some time. I'm in there like swimwear now. Trying to,
hey,
huh?
What are you live on?
We live on YouTube, man.
YouTube.
Live on YouTube. Here it go right here. Look out racing. Look out right. Tell your uncle, everybody. Say, man, yeah, I'm trying
my
to.
Grandma, my sister,
everybody,
my nephew.
Everybody don't know how to work their phone that good. Make sure they subscribe too.
Hell yeah.
Already. Hell yeah. Yeah. Appreciate it, bro. Hey, y'all. They ain't doing no racing, by the way. They ain't doing no race. Uh-oh, here we go.